Hello, welcome back to all of you. I would like to advise all of you to complete your assignments which were shared on the Google Classroom platform to you till 22 April for your better learning and understanding of this particular subject, which will helpful for your upcoming midterm second examinations. So, in the continuation of previous lecture, introduction of transportation, I would like to enhance the previous lecture into this lecture. We were discussing about the transportation or transport mode or roads are the arteries or veins in the any developed nation, just like our veins and arteries played a very crucial and most important role in our human body. In the similar fashions, road, or you can say road transportation, which is a type of transportation mode, plays a very critical role. So, we will understand the road transportation like the veins and arteries in human body. Veins and arteries are transporting blood from one part of body to another part of body. In this similar way, the roads are the mode to displace the passenger and goods from one place to another place in the nation or in a city. Here, passenger road transport service is a term which is used PRTS. You all aware about PRTS? I would like to share an example of passenger road transportation service like our college, engineering college Ajmer, which is situated at a remote place from the city at an 8 kilometer to 10 kilometer distance from main part of the city, and the students are used to adhere the passenger road transport service, which is nothing but the buses, public buses, which will move on the roads. So here passenger road transportation service is an essential connected to the economic development. So how a economy is associated with passenger road transportation services? Now suppose a student goes to his college in his very routine, and he used to pick a bus to get his college, and he will pay 10 or 12 rupees to the for the bus service. So these 12 rupees will make a huge amount of money, and these particular amount is helpful in the nation's economy. Now transportation is the essential convenience with which people not just connect but progress. It's a very beautiful line. Transportation is a mode of connection with progress. You can incorporate this line into your examination copy, that transportation is a beautiful mode to mm, making a bond of connection between the passengers and progress. Suppose a senior student connects with his junior fellow of similar branch in this public passenger road transportation service or any utility public road bus. So a senior fellow will connect to its junior fellow and will share its experience of college, of study, of intellectual aspects accordingly. So there is a mutual connection as well as mutual progress of both the fellows. So transportation is a very beautiful link between the passengers by making a bond of progress and connection. So in the throughout history, people's progress has been sustained on the convenience. Convenience, you can refer it to comfort, speed. This particular term is very familiar to you. Speed is related with time and safety of the modes of transportation. Here, road transport occupies a primary place in today's world as it provides a reach unparalleled by any other contemporary mode of transport. So, what is the basic understanding behind this line? Just read this line once again. Road transport occupies a primary place in today's world. So, suppose you have to purchase a very basic or very essential commodity or very essential thing to you, so you will use road transportation. You will not suppose to pick an aeroplane or an helicopter or a train to purchase that thing if this thing is available very near to you. So you will use the road transportation. So it is a very primary in the today's world because it provides a reach unparalleled by any other contemporary mode of transportation. Means no other mode of transportation is has its reach. Okay, I hope you are taking these lines, these PDFs which I am sharing with you, which videos which I am sharing with all of you. You have to take these lectures very positively because in this pandemic situation, we have to stay safe and very healthy at our homes. On the same side, we have to deliver our ultimate motto that is uninterrupted academics. So